Hello! In this video we are talking about a research that our team has performed for one of our customers. The purpose of this research is to test out implementation of some applications running under a second version of operating system for Apple Watch. The customer wanted us to build a finance application, so our business analyst came up with a few scenarios to be tested before developing an actual application. Let's take a look at them. In the first case, Watch receives a text message. watchOS 2 offers a great variety of frameworks that can ease up your life while you're developing an application. For example, to establish a connection between an iPhone and watch, we used native connectivity framework. Here you can see that we are sending a message from an iPhone to Apple Watch and saving it. And it's done. Second case is based on the fact that watchOS 2 allows you to execute your programming code directly on your Apple Watch, unlike the first one where your code has to run on your iPhone. The new architecture provides developers with possibility to save and use data that stores directly on the watch. Let's take a look at the text and then delete it. Now we can send it from the iPhone or simply use get data request to send it from the watch to the iPhone. As we can see, our text is back. The new approach of the code execution also allows us to encrypt the code on the watch and safely pass it to the main device. The customer wanted us to measure time required to encrypt and send the data. As we can see, it took a little less than 2 seconds. This is the encrypted code we just sent from the watch. Next case covers automatic movement detection when user takes the watch off, so text will disappear from the app. To implement this feature, we've used HealthKit framework, which gives us access to heart rate sensors. However, we've discovered that HealthKit sometimes detects heartbeats, even if the watch is off the wrist. The other restriction our team has faced was related to the application background mode. Second version of watchOS doesn't allow applications to run in the background. This means if the application is not active, it won't be able to detect the movement when the user takes the watch off, and therefore cannot delete the text. However, there's also another approach. It is possible to detect if the watch is being worn or not using built-in light sensors. Unfortunately, data could not be retrieved from WatchKit at this point. We expect this functionality to appear in the future versions of watchOS. These were just some tips, tricks and restrictions one should remember while developing an application for watchOS 2. The frameworks and technologies used for this research include. Thank you for watching and see you next time.